Samantha here. In this video, I'm completing a couple of the layouts that I started in this Love This Memory notebook, which is a kit I got from Stampin' Up. I'm not going to talk through the video, so I'm quickly going to share what 3 days I have in here and then show the process with some music. And I'm going to time lapse it a bit. But before I do that, I just want to say these pictures that I'm cutting out are printed on sticker paper, and therefore the 3 days that I have journaled on so far in this daily observations journal. I made it into a journal for what I noticed went well on particular days. I won't be putting something in it for every day, but what really stands out to me on different days. So these first couple of pictures I'm cutting out are me in a bouncy house. My school had a carnival and I went inside the bouncy house. It was really fun, and I was surprised that I was able to even do it. Not that I'm an old fogey, but it was fun, and it's not something I thought that I would have been doing. I just didn't think I would get into a big old bouncy house the way that I did. The second picture that I'm cutting here is for the last page. It's a DIY of a Lightning McQueen car. My students, the paras, and myself, we had to do a project. I'm not going to go into that, into the whole thing about the project, but this is part of the project, and I wasn't able to complete the project with my students or be there for the display because some things came up and I'm out of the school building. And I was so blessed that the paras and the students finished the project and did the display. I'm just so blessed by that. So I did a page on that, which is the last page. This picture that I'm cutting out is from it's a screenshot from a YouTube video with Neil Vermillion, who is a prophet. And these words that I saw one day, last week in July, it confirmed something that the Lord has spoke to my heart. And it was about embracing struggle and understanding that God is in the midst. And it really spoke to me. It was a confirmation because, it's a lot of things that, I could say that I heard and God taught me before. But then at different seasons of your life, in my life, I should say, I'll make it personal because it is, I realized that I heard God and I understood it, but because of where I am, it's how can I say, it's a deeper revelation, for lack of better words, and even application. And so I was talking with someone the day before I saw that picture about ebbs and flows as a teacher, and being in a moment, and not letting a moment define my entire day, and just being like, okay, this happened, but I'm not gonna make me look forward to Friday. Not saying that I don't look forward to Fridays, relaxing, resting, but I don't want my days to be like that. Oh, I just can't wait till Friday. Just like living in this state of always looking for what I think is the next best thing because of a moment. I just don't want that kind of a mindset. And so just embracing the struggles at times, and not saying like not to pray through it and say this is the end all, that be all, this is it. No, just saying this is a part of life, ebbs and flows. This is a part of being a teacher, and it's a moment, and it doesn't have to define my day. It doesn't have to define my career. It definitely does not define my life. And so to me, that was a great observation because I could see the growth in my thinking. Because sometimes I would be like, complain. Not to say I don't have complaints, but I see the progress in my mind and my heart and my thinking, how God has matured me. And so I actually did that as the second layout, which you'll see. Um, what else I want to say? Yeah, because it's not in order, because the embracing struggles observation actually is before the bouncy house, but it just so happens I did the layout and then I saw the stamp, and then I was like, oh, that I know I have something for that stamp, but I had already did the first page, the first layout in the beginning of the notebook, which I call a journal. I didn't lay down the scrap paper in the front yet. I'll show that at another time. But yeah, so that's it for now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show the rest of the video with some music. And yeah, so if you watched this far, thanks for watching. If you continue to watch, enjoy the process. I'll leave the link to the kit in the description section of this notebook. Oh, of this of this video. Okay, so with that being said, thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Later.